What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create QR code for business card. So there is a certain website for that. Let me show you. You can use this QR code hashmonkey.com. So with this, you just have to enter your content in here, the URL of your business, and then you can also turn on the statistics and editability, and here you will find the colors setting option. You can just do a single color or use color gradient or customize color and choose a background color too. And from here you can also add a logo image. It can be in here. Just on it on the QR code right here, this example part, and you can customize the design like any one of you want, like the body shape, iframe shape, and the eyeball shape. So yeah, these are the ways you can just create it, and once you're done, just tap on create QR code and download the PNG file. You can also download the SVG, PDF, and EPS file too. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.